What is going on, guys? Today we're actually going to be going back to Irwindale, but I wanted to do something to the 240 before we head out there. So as you can see, we actually now have a skid plate assembly. We just don't have a skid plate just yet. That was all done off camera though, because I just wanted to get it done and it was already taking a long time to get everything set up for it. So I didn't want to film, because when you film stuff, it takes at least 3 times as long, and that's not even an exaggeration. So I'll go over it real quick. We have our two main support bars, which are the ones that are bolted to the plates there. You can see it has 4 bolts there. This side only has 2 because I still need to modify the holes a little bit because I can't get nuts on the other side yet. The 2 outer ones are the main support ones, and the inner ones that actually kind of move in a little bit, that is where our skid plate is going to be going. For those, you can actually see we have this piece of angle here that is bolted to the tension rod brackets. So that is how that section comes out. And I still have to figure out what I'm going to do with the ends here. I'm thinking putting a cap or something on there on both sides, but I'm not too worried about that right now. That's not really a big deal. And yes, it does have surface rust on it. That's totally fine for now. We will be painting it once I get the tabs welded on for the skid plate and then weld on some caps. So I don't want to paint it until we have everything that needs to be welded onto it. So because of that, our bumper actually does not move anymore. So now what we need to do is get more air going to our intercooler, which is right there behind the bumper. It's just chilling there. As of right now, the only real way that it's getting air is through these nostrils on the pig nose, and that just isn't providing a whole lot of air going to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this hole saw and we are going to put holes along the bumper to get better airflow through there. It's not going to be across the entire way because that would get rid of a bunch of strength in the bumper and that would be kind of pointless. The intercooler starts here on both sides, so we're just going to go from there on the inside, do some measurements, see how many holes we can fit to where it makes it look uniform, and then we will start drilling. So now we got our holes cut. We did 5 obviously, and I got the middle one centered, and then I went 1.5 inches over for the next one, and then 1.5 inches between there. And then we have enough room to do another one, but I'm not going to because as you can see, it's not really gonna provide air to the intercooler, so there's not really a whole lot of point. But that's basically what I did, is I just found center, just measured across and then up and down to get the center, and then did 1.5 inches over, another 1.5 inches, another one, same on the other side. The last thing that I want to do is I want to paint the actual orange parts or yellow, whatever color that is. So now that the bumper's painted and it's back on, I think it looks a lot better. You kept the corner. Damn, we got an LS swapped RX8. One of many. Damn. This is so cool though. And you'd never guess that this had a V8 in it. hit that. And then now he hit the front.
So the first round, bro. I know. I'm telling you right now, nobody is going to top this man. Sorry, once again, this microphone is absolute
Got some crazy shit going on. That guy doing some crazy shit.
Oh shit, yeah.
LS swapped RX8, and then the Miata hit the wall earlier. The control armor's bent. We're probably not gonna see this Miata out tonight.
If you have to ride on the street, you have to get on the freaking street.
His exhaust tip hit right there.
Yeah, did you see that? Yeah.
So I'm not 100% sure what's going on, but as you saw, the Bronco did hit that barrier and it moved it, and somehow it crushed that guy's foot. So we're not too sure what's going on right now, but he's getting an ambulance. I just got an update from someone who works here, and they're saying that it's not that bad, but they have to call all these people here, the fire truck, ambulance, and all that, because it's their policy. So they probably would get fined if they didn't call and something happened. So everything seems like it's going to be fine, but they're probably not going to let any more people go out on the actual donut box now.
There goes the LS RX8.
We're leaving Irwindale now. They shut it down after that, so nothing really crazy going on. So we're gonna dip. So we made it back home. That was really crazy. Like, honestly, when it happened, from where I was standing, I thought that because of the way that everyone rushed over to go look and see what happened, they were trying to push the barrier off the guy's foot. I honestly thought that someone got caught between two barriers and potentially could have been stuck there. And that would have been scary as fuck. So thankfully it wasn't too serious, but that still sucks. Like, now he's got to pay for the ambulance, and if you know anything about ambulances, they are not cheap. I think it's like 2,500 bucks per ride. Someone's got to pay that. So I don't know if the track's going to pay for it or what. But that is going to be it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you did. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about what happened, and let me know what you think about that RX8. It's a LS, it's not a rotary. I think it's pretty cool. And then hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.